Weigh stations are an important part of the trucking industry and vital for the safe transportation of goods across the nation. Usually installed in roads, the idea of a weigh-in motion system constructed on a bridge is being researched. This could potentially make stations safer to install, less disruptive to traffic, and longer lasting. Working with the Texas A&M Transportation Institute, the Texas Department of Transportation is looking to identify specifications for a bridge weigh-in system, including truck gross weight, travel speed, and a type of vehicle.
Trucks cause the most damage to pavements and bridges. Therefore, acquiring truck data allows TxDOT to proactively maintain these assets.
We have an existing weigh-in motion system. Typically, that's mounted in the pavement itself, and as trucks drive over that, it registers how heavy that axle is, the spacing between them. Those things are exposed to the abuse, the traffic pounding on them, right? And they're costly to install, they're costly to maintain, and it requires traffic control. We always look for ways to eliminate that.
This project developed a methodology for transforming a bridge into a weigh-in motion system. This included recommendations for the sensors to be attached to a bridge and the data processing algorithms. The key findings of the project are to characterize the truck traffic using bridge weigh-in motion system, including the number of axles, the axle spacing, the speed, the axle weight, the gross vehicle weight, and the truck classification.
This project was in coordination with Texas A&M and TTI. They actually built a bridge, take their test truck and this bridge that they knew every aspect of, and kind of start calibrating their instruments and load it up with some concrete blocks and such, weigh it with more traditional scales, and then start running the truck over this so they could kind of get everything developed before they went out and actually put this on real bridges with real traffic going over them.
We essentially developed a method for transforming a bridge into a scale to weigh trucks.
It's certainly a very promising concept because of the things I mentioned, the lower cost, the safety. In the future, with some improvement in some of the software aspect of this could really even be like a law enforcement tool. And then lastly, there is a little side benefit because we can use it to tell us how the bridge is responding to these truckloads that are going over it.
For more information and to find the publication for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.